Good morning, doctors. So, this morning I was scrolling through the MCC website, and it was surprising to see that the link for new registration has been opened. So, there you see mcc.nic.in. If you just click on the PG medical link, then all the things of previous year's counseling are there, all the notices, all the old events, which are, by the way, under the heading current events. But one change we see is that the link for new registration 2025 has been activated. And when we click this link, we find that actually the disclaimer is there. There is the option for new candidates to start their MCC registration. So they have given all the disclaimers and all the proper procedure, how to set your password and so on. So theoretically, the form filling has started. But what we would suggest is do not rush with this registration process. We know we've all been waiting for MCC to start the registration process, but as of now, the site seems bit unstable. Yesterday, the site was not working for the whole day. Everyone was looking at the website. It was the last day for UG registration and choice filling, even choice locking. So, despite 2 million students scrolling through the website continuously, it wasn't working. So, today, when the site started, we come to know what the problem was. So, it was this update which was going on in the background. So, prior to this, what were the developments? You all know. So, on Twitter, Dr. Lakshya Mittal, who is, the uh, UDF Bharat chairperson and national president. So he had updated yesterday that registrations are likely to begin by tomorrow. That's what he had written yesterday, and the words have come out to be true. So trust my words that as of now, it makes absolutely no sense to start your registration in a hurry. Wait for the site to stabilize, wait for the instructions to come. So, on the first look, I can just say it is extremely foolish on the part of MCC to start these registrations without the proper process. So, the proper process would have been there should have been notice for NRI candidates, should have been a notice for PWD candidates, and this whole clutter on the website should have been cleaned first of all before starting the fresh registrations of this session. So we'll end this small video on this note. Please, please, please do not hurry with the registration. You would have sufficient time. Let the website become stable. Subscribe to our channel for more such updates, and very soon we'll show you the step by step process how to fill the form. Thank you.